Tyler and Sydney, is Dominique and Kelly again providing you another update. We actually have your foundation crew here on site, and as long as the weather holds up, you will have a foundation block together today. If not, it's going to be tomorrow or the next day when it's not raining, but they are here and ready to get your stuff going. Kelly is not going to be here. She's on vacation next week, so you will get an update in 2 weeks. Within that 2 weeks, you will actually see a nice, beautiful foundation as well as some underslab plumbing and potentially a concrete slab. We will see how fast we can roll in those 2 weeks. But if you have any questions, please reach out to Kelly. You guys have a good one.